Welcome to a world where dreams take shape, where innovation meets passion and technology merges with art. Welcome to Innoson, the heartbeat of Nigerian automotive innovation.
Guys, this is unbelievable. It's happening now in Nigeria. I never thought Africa are capable for stuff like this. Okay, let me remind you. Previous year, Rwanda made Africa proud by launching first smartphone made in Africa. But now Africa goes deeper. I'm not talking about biscuit, I'm talking about vehicle manufacturing company in Africa, in Nigeria. I thought that they are just assembling, but they are not assembling, they are actually manufacturing. You know what I mean? Not bike, it's car, buses, ambulance by Innoson Vehicle Company in Nigeria. Okay, let's take a look.
But you are where?
You are where?
You are where?
You are where?
Are you not aware?
You are where?
Are you not aware?
No!
Are you not aware?
No!
Are you not aware?
No!
What other saying it today one? Have we not said it?
We have said it!
Have we not said it?
We have said it!
Models of car we manufacture in here.
Yeah, we manufacture virtually all models of vehicles.
Okay.
We have the sedan vehicles. We manufacture the sedan vehicles. We manufacture MPVs vehicles. We manufacture SUVs. We manufacture pickups. We manufacture buses, various range of buses.
Wow.
We manufacture even fire trucks.
Sure.
Even waste disposal vehicles, even ambulances.
So come on guys, let's see the interior of the bus. So like 100%, everything
This is
is
100%
made in Nigeria.
Yes.
No, it's not 100% made in Nigeria. Let me just assume that it's 90% made in Nigeria. That's the 10%. I'm going to show you guys by the end of this video what they actually can make yet now in the company. So let us meet the CEO of the Innoson company.
My vehicle now have CNG, LNG, fuel, ordinary gas, and also electric. It depends on what you want.
Produce vehicles that can match us, not a made in an European vehicles being sold in an African distinct. You understand? So we try to understand ourselves, the regionalization and the topography. Then we understand the kind of vehicles that can fit into the African soil, and we produce it according to it. That's one of the unique selling propositions that distinguishes Innoson vehicles from other foreign brands you see in the country.
If I should understand, is that it's made in Africa.
It's made in Africa.
For Africans.
For Africans.
For Africa too.
For Africa, yeah.
But who are the people behind it? Are they Africans?
They're Africans.
Those are the people who built it.
Yes, they're Africans. You can see them in the factory. These are Africans. These are engineering graduates that you can see from different universities in the country. You understand?
I can't believe what's going on. You mean like it's Nigerians?
Yes. We even have a training school, a training academy, where we train people, on car manufacturing processes. And when they graduate, we employ some into the factory.
That's impressive.
Yeah.
I'm so happy to be here.
Okay guys, let me break down what the 10% Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing Company can make yet is engine. You all know what an engine is. So let us hope that in the future they will be able to manufacture their own engines, or there will be a manufacturing company that will be able to manufacture the engines.
I just wanted to know, so everything is manufactured from here. What about the engine? Is the engine also manufactured?
No, we buy engine from engine manufacturers.
Okay.
Yeah.
So guys, let me ask you a question. Innoson cars or vehicle, would it be your dream cars if you want to buy cars, for example? Let me know in the comment. If my answer is yes, I love everything that invented or discovered by black men. So I would be happy to jam on stuff like that. You know what I mean? So I'm proud of it. Alright guys, that's all for today. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. And follow me on Instagrams, and see you guys on the next video. I'm out. And don't forget to share the video to people who don't know about Innoson Vehicle Company in Nigeria. Bye.